Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my last video, I showed you how to create a free virtual card that you can use on Google VEO3. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use that card to subscribe to Google VEO3 Pro plan. So, without wasting time, let's go straight away. Watch this video right up to the end. You can use either Chrome or Google. Go to Google and type Google VEO3. That first one, Google DeepMind. You click on it and wait for it to load. It will take you to this interface. You click on try in flow. That second one. Wait for it to load. Yes, you create with flow. Click on this create with flow. And then you go. Wait for it to load. Wait for it to load. Good. Yes. You click on next. After that, you have to scroll down and click on continue. This is it. Perfect. Already there. Now you need to click on subscribe. Click on subscribe. Wait for it to load. You see, this is get Google AI Pro. So you click on it. Agree. Wait for it to process. Wait for it to process. It is not hard. It is not hard, guys. This is it. Already loading. So keep going. Click on that. Yes, that process. Yes, got it. Click on it. You may not even show got it on your phone, so just keep going. It's because my network is disturbing. That's why it's still repeating this. Agree like that. Now, this is it. You need to add your credit or debit card. So click on it. Wait for it to process. Wait for it to process. Wait for it to process. Please, guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please do it, guys. So this is where you need to put your card number, expiry date, and CVC. That's it, guys. Then you need to enter your address. That is just the name of your town, the name of your town, the name of your city. Yes. Enter the name of your city. That's it. I'll enter. My city is still for some and click on save. That's it, guys. You need have to subscribe. You will click on that subscribe button. Perfect. This is it. Subscribed. You have subscribed. So, guys, that's it. As simple as that. Please, if you are still watching up till now, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I have another things that I'm going to show you on this channel. So, Google will send you a message to tell you that you have subscribed to a 1 month Google Pro AI Pro plan. That's it. Welcome to Google AI Pro. You go back to the site. There, I'm going to show you how to check your 1000 credit. So just follow the video. and click on that pro beside your profile. Click on the pro, you will see it. That's it, 1000 AI credit. That's it, guys. Please subscribe to this channel and also leave a comment if you have any question.